Hey guys, how's it going? How to add LinkedIn link to resume on Canva. So basically log in with your account, and I already searched on my search bar resume, and I chose this resume already, right? So I'm gonna click right here, customize this template, and make sure that you log in with your LinkedIn as well. Okay, now what you're gonna do after you selected that resume, right, you will be redirected to that page, right? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just choose any place. This is purely demonstration, and I'm gonna see right here, this is a website icon, and I chose to type right here LinkedIn, right, instead of normal website, or any website for that matter. I'm gonna click the LinkedIn text that I typed, and you're gonna see right here a pop-up window full of tools. Go ahead and click more right here, and you're gonna scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna see link. Okay, go ahead and click link, right? And I'm gonna go ahead to my LinkedIn account, and I'm gonna go ahead and click me, and at the top right, and then click view profile, right? And I'm gonna copy the link that I just took from copy the link from my from my account, and then I'm gonna paste it right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna just hit done, and if anyone who sees my resume will be able to click on that link, and they will be redirected to this profile. All right, so basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.